Hello everyone, my name is Moa. I am creating pictures and welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much again for being here, for liking this video, for leaving a comment. If you still didn't do this, please do this. It's really helping with the algorithm, and let's start. So the main inspiration for this shoot is the royalty. So if you don't know, there's a new trailer for the Hunger Games and I'm a huge fan actually, and I really want to capture this beauty, royalty, avant-garde vibes into one amazing shoot. So as usually I started with the clothes, and my main piece of the outfit, it should be a corset, and I really want to have this like pointy neckline here. And I saw this idea of the heart in the middle of the outfit and I fell in love with this immediately. So I have a heart here, and also I decorated it with a lot of gold metal. Actually it's not a metal, it's basically the plastic just painted in gold. So I have my drawing for my corset, and at first I really need a form, and I want to have this form-fitted corset, so I used musgumi for the holding effect. And actually sewing this corset was kind of difficult because the pattern was so thick and my sewing machine, she wasn't happy with it, but in the end it was kind of cool. Then actually I worked with my heart. First of all, I also need to sew it with the same musgumi pattern, and then it basically was a lot of gluing, a lot of this gold and metal and everything, and I used different texture to give more depth, and in end result come out really beautiful. Unfortunately, just the corset was kinda simple for this look, and with accessories I just went over the top. First of all, I have this beautiful plastic crown that I thrifted and I just decorated with the stones. Then actually I decided that I want to have the same earrings with the same theme as a corset have, and as you can see they're kind of big. And also I decided that I need a gloves, but not just a gloves. I really want to have this like cute and fancy nail on this. And then I realized that silhouette is not flattering enough, so I decided to add up even more flair here on the gloves. So yeah, that was a lot. First of all, my glove need a hand inside, and obviously I need my two hands to create something. So I use a metal foil to create this like fake hand for holding the form for my gloves. Then actually it was a lot of gluing, different materials, different stones, different everything, but it was fun. Then actually I started working with the earrings and I sew the hearts together, I glue all my metal. Unfortunately, you will see just right now I messed one of the earrings. I wasn't that accurate, but look, I will fix it later, and I have my both earrings ready and it was fun. My model Marlene, she has very lovely but very short hair, so for this one we decided to slick the hair off to show off the crown. Then actually we had this traditional very blue eyeshadows for any queen to have, and obviously very dramatic red lips. So at first I need to comb the hair to get this sleek and dramatic look, and then actually I fixed the crown, and the crown was very easy and very light to work. It was a blast. Then I create this amazing blue eyeshadow and nice dramatic red lips for this amazing look. So the setup for this was quite easy because I didn't want to overpower the look with more background, even more distraction, because I think the look itself is kind of the statement already. So I used the white wall behind me, I have a standard beauty light, and this was the setup. Marlene is very versatile model. She gave so much for this look. She did a lot of very high fashion poses and very artistic ones. So this look wouldn't come out the way it is without her knowledge and her expertise. So I want to give her the props to do this and to pull this off. And working with her was a blast. It was amazing. The end pictures actually are really cool. I was surprised how good they turned out. Marlene looking amazing, and I love this queen vibes, the royal theme a lot, so I hope you will also love them too. So this is the end of my YouTube video. Thank you so much again for being here. Thank you for all of your love and all of your support. Please, if you can, subscribe to me on Patreon. Your donation will mean a lot, and I hope I will see you in the next one.